Okay, this is how I think it's wired. The top connector is the 3 wires that go to the motor. I did a measurement of the resistance of the windings, and brown to red we get 1.79 ohms, so that's probably the run winding, and then brown to blue we get 6.64 ohms, so that's probably the start winding. I would say that the feed comes in here, and that white connection is the one that is burnt, because that is the connector, the 5-pin connector that's on its own. This other 5-pin connector with the other 2 at the bottom are the ones that are in the frame, in the little metal frame together. What I think happens on the module that I haven't got is that to switch on, the white wire gets connected to brown, I think, which is the sort of common in the motor, and then there also must be a feed to the red. The other side of the supply must go there, and that makes the motor spin. Now the capacitor, that I got confused. That I was drawing in 2 places, so ignore that. That capacitor there is this one. It's already in the circuit shown, drawn. The white capacitor is just a suppressor. Again, that's been tested. 20 microfarads, and it reads 19.8, so that's fine. The nut at the bottom is just a mounting, and even on this one I think the nut at the bottom on this one also, the starter capacitor, the silver one, is just a mounting as far as I can tell. The resistor across it checks out okay. Capacitance a little bit high, but that could be just tolerances. It's a bit out of tolerance really, that, but I don't think it's a problem. And it's there in the drawing, so it connects between blue. So if you feed blue, again the module will do this, the module will supply feed to blue, which will go through the capacitor to get the phase change, and then it's actually grey in the harness, but on the motor itself it's blue, and that's our higher resistance winding. So what I was doing in the tests was I was powering both red and blue there to make it start, and then taking away the blue once it was spinning. Everything else, the switch, you can see where the smaller motor, which is there, it's a series motor, that's where the smaller motor fits into things. And the little switch on the harness, I've tested the switch, that's okay. The diode, probably there's a pump in it somewhere for pumping cleaning fluid, because they usually have a diode feed. There's probably a pump that we've not seen. That of course could be the problem. The diode is okay, I've checked that. And that's about it really.